Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Istiqomah Nesha Fazila. I saw you. Sorry. Hello, I'm Istiqomah Nesha Fazila. I will show you how to removing and wearing the PPE level 2.
So, the equipment we need to prepare, the first one is the hand sanitizer, and then clean gloves or hand spoon clean, and next we will need this nurse gown, next surgical mask, and then goggles, and the last is nurse cap. In wearing PPE level 2, the first step we must do is to do hand hygiene 6 steps. After that, we need to wear the hand spoon. And then the next step we have to do is to wear the gown. And after we're done, we have to wear the surgical mask first. You need to make it secure. Tight. And then we wear the nurse cap. Keep it under the ear. And the last part is to use goggles. Okay, and we're done here. So this is PPE level 2. And then we will show you the procedure of removing PPE level 2. The first step we have to do is to do hand hygiene. After that, we remove the hand gloves and then dispose it into the infectious bag. Dispose it, and then the next step is to remove your gown. And the next step is to remove your nurse cap. Dispose it, and then your goggles. And the last step is remove the surgical mask. After the procedure is done, we need to always make sure to do hand hygiene again. So this is how you can remove your level 2 PPE. Thank you.